This one's recording.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, this one's recording, so we're out here trying to shoot some doves and playing with a temu handheld chainsaw. Cam's gonna record. We don't know if the other camera's working. You know what I mean? We don't know if it's working.
It could be, it could not be.
Honestly, I thought I bought this thing though, Cam. I thought it would be like good for this. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
Little-
like super cheap little tiny little handheld chainsaw.
From Temu.
Yeah.
It's the Temu Express.
Literally. That thing's rotten.
I cut that one down. I especially cut it down, Daddy, or broke it. Do I have privilege?
Leave my gun up over here.
Do I have privilege if I see a dove just shoot at it?
Yeah.
Okay. Cause like when we, cause when we were shooting skis, like all these trees were in the way. That thing cut it like butter.
Yeah, I know, considering there's only like
$20.
$30 on a
Tank?
little bit bigger one.
It probably would. Just give it a little. Timber.
That wasn't bad, considering that was a pretty big.
That was a big pine tree. Where
For
just a little
just something to throw
in your bed of your tool.
or in your little go bag. Yeah, those are Tweety birds.
Yeah, you can hear them.
Heck, you're doing
Good.
pretty good.
This one I think I can just get. Yeah, that one's easy. Yeah, you're gonna have to cut this one. Can I try that one over there?
So yeah, I don't know if any of our cameras are recording here, but this little thing is probably the best thing in the world to put in a hunting bag. I got it off of Temu. I think it was like $20, $30. Buy you one of these little things. They're one little battery and it will cut down some little trees. If you need to cut anything out of the way of your deer stand or hunting blind or anything, cuts pretty good. We just cut down all these little trees right through here, trying to just get them out of the way so we can see if we can shoot some doves here. This is not the world's best little camera. This is a little $10, $20 camera off of Amazon. So we'll see what happens and see if we can get some little doves or something. But yeah, all these little trees, and some of them are fairly, they're fairly big around. There's only a little 6-inch blade. I mean, like a 4-inch diameter tree. And like I said, it just cut down all of these like it was just about nothing. Great little saw. And super cheap. So, I mean, you really can't complain when something costs $20 and does anything nowadays. You have to agree with that. Anybody has to agree with that.
Look how many skis I just found that haven't been
A bunch of little birds up in the air. Yeah, again. Well, it's getting about that time. We're gonna see if we can get any doves out here. We're just clearing some trees out of the way. Now, we're gonna see if we can get some doves. Let's see. I'm gonna put this camera right here.
I found some clays.
Huh?
Found some clays.
Heck yeah. Well, let's put the camera up there and see if we can find something. There's a bunch of birds flying over. There ain't doves, bro.
What are they?
There's some birds. There might be some doves. I mean, the way they're flying, if you see some doves coming by here, they'll fly the same way.
Shoot them. But only if you see them.
Yeah.
Undo. Tweety birds, if they're doves. If he's a dove, he's dead, because I would have shot him. Like that, but with the skis, it's...
Why are you so loud? You gotta be quiet. Not for the doves, just...
With the skis, they go...
You don't want to be yelling, son.
When did y'all see him start?
15th. And then next Saturday.
Are we going in the morning?
Wake up, mommy wants to.
I gotta worry about them no more. I thought there was a bird flying. I shot and nothing came out.
Load the gun?
There's one in there.
Oh.
I put one in there. Where'd they come from?
No, that's a bat.
Daddy, don't shoot at a bat. You can tell. You about shot at a bat. Did you about shoot at a bat, Daddy?
I was not expecting that all of a sudden.
Hold up,
I expected it to be much
See,
higher.
Daddy, look. See?
Oh.
This one's it. Right? Look, let's pull it. I mean, these are not wrong. Now they do come out.
Yeah. I was not ready for that.
No. If we would, we probably would have did it. You don't scare me if you